Okay, folks, section 11.3, rational square roots, right? Example 1, it says find the indicated square root. Now, just a couple of things I want to remind you of. If I have a radical sign, I'm just going to put 5 in here for now, okay? This means it wants the positive square root of 5. This is called the principal square root, okay? If the radical has a negative outside of it, it means we want the negative square root of 5, okay? And then there's one other that we have to be familiar with, and that's x squared is equal to 5, all right? Now they're asking us, what does x equal? What can x equal? Okay? Well, x can equal positive or negative square root 5. When there's a variable here, I have to give both of them. Okay? Now in this problem, you can see there's not a variable here. It's saying we want the negative square root of that fraction. All right? Now, Ryan, the very first thing I'm always going to check is to see if I can reduce this thing. Okay? Because I don't really want to deal with numbers this large if I don't have to. Now, let's see. I can tell that 3 plus 2 is 5 and 4 is 9. So 3 goes into this top one. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 is 18. Oh, look, 9 goes into both of them, right? Because 9 goes into 9 and 9 goes into 18. So 9 into 324 goes how many times? Let's see. I'm betting it's 36 times.
36.
Okay? And then 9 goes in this one, 81. It looks like 9 goes into them again. Okay? So this is going to be negative square root of 4 over 9. Right? Does that make sense? All I'm doing right now is just reducing the fraction. Okay? You can use it. You can absolutely use your calculator. Okay? To reduce these things. But right now, what I want to show you is that if I have a fraction under a radical, I've reduced it all the way. Okay? And I have a fraction underneath this radical. What that means is we want the negative square root of 4 over square root of 9. I separate it. Put it in the numerator and in the denominator. Okay? And that's going to give me negative 2 over 3. Very simple. I didn't need any calculator for that. Okay? All I did was reduce as much as I could, and I got this fraction, 4 over 9. Now, as soon as I reduced it as far as it could go, I just put the top under the I took the square root of the top and the square root of the bottom. Okay? Square root of 4 is 2, square root of 9 is 3. And they wanted the negative one. Okay, so I stuck the negative sign out front. All right, great job. Let's look at the next example.